Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to record the high bitrate videos for editing and pre-production on this device. Simply open the camera. Now at the bottom, select the option video. Tap on the four dots. Tap on settings. Then here you can see the option advanced video options. Select this one. And from here you have to select the option HEVC, high efficiency. Okay, you need to select this one, and after this one you need to turn on the option high bitrate videos. You need to turn on this option. You can see what is this high bitrate videos. It will increase the bitrate of videos record in video and pro video modes. High bitrate videos are usually larger than normal videos. Okay, so simply in this way we can record the high bitrate videos for editing and pre-production on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.